Hello everyone. Today my document is about pneumatic system and I will show you the theory, the diagram of a pneumatic system and also the real system and how it apply in the real industry. Okay, the first is in the introduction. The Festo pneumatic system is widely used in industrial automation application. In the picture, you can see we have the supplier. It means the outside of the factory. We have a outside sourcing of pneumatic. It will run and provide the pneumatic for all the machine in the factory, and one of them will go to our system here. And after finished in this system, it will go to the machine to using for operation. Okay, and this system consists of basic components like solenoid valve, air filter, pressure regulator, and pressure sensor. As you can see in the picture, we have E1, E3, E4, E5, and the LED screen. Uh, so the supplier pneumatic will go from outside to E1 and then E3, E4, and E5, and then go to the machine. And the pressure after E5 will show up in the LED screen here. The first is the diagram of this system. I will explanation this diagram for you. Okay, we first have the input source. It is 6 to 10 bar and go to E1 and then E3 and then E4 and then E5. Okay, this diagram shows the hydraulic or pneumatic diagram. It's commonly used in pressure or flow control system. And after this, I will tell you one by one. The first is the E1. Okay, we have a E1. We have a sourcing from outside. It means it is 6 to 10 bar. That means we just supply the pneumatic in this range of pressure. If it is lower or higher, the E1 not work. So we must confirm that input pressure is from 6 to 10 bar. And under there is a convert of the unit from bar to MPa or PSI. Okay, we have a valve E1. It is the phi 2 valve. It means we will have a 5 ports and 2 working position. The second we have a flow direction. Here it's the arrow of the diagram. We have a working pressure range input from 6 to 10 bar. Okay, that is about the E1, and this E1 is a valve phi 2, and it will get the input pressure into and move that flow of pneumatic to E3. Okay, after E1, the flow will go to E3 and then to E4. Uh, we see the symbol E3 with 5 micron. That means E3 will have a filter, remove dust and lab particle that is bigger than 5 micromet. And then it go to E4. E4 it is a fine filter. That means it will remove the water vapor, the oil and microparticle that's bigger than 0.01 micron. Okay, and under 5 micron commonly is remove the dirt, solid particle or the larger than micron from air or oil. And the 0.01 it means remove the very small particle, even water vapor and oil vapor. Uh, that E3 and E4 mainly is a filter. It can make the pneumatic cleaner and then it will move to E5. Okay, after E3 and E4, the air now is very clean, and we have a E5 pressure sensor. In this sensor, it will measure the real pressure before go through E5, and it will show up in the LED screen or some monitoring. And we have a pressure regulator valve PN at 25, 4.8 to 5.2 bar here. It means this valve can change, we can rotate it, we can modify it to get the pressure from 4.8 to 5.2. It will limit the maximum pressure in the system and protect the equipment. It is S2O. And we need to think something here. We have a E5 maximum E5.0 and S22E from 4.8 to 5.2. So we need to modify the S2O to get the monitor here so that 5.0 is an ideal value. Okay, and after E5, the air now can go to machine and working with the machine and make the machine working. And now we will see the real system in 3D. We have E1 and then E3, E4, E5, and the real system also look like this. We have E4, E3. Sometimes in the under we can see some flow of air from the bottom of E3 and E4 go outside. And here is a LED. Here is a LED screen. Okay, the solenoid valve E1 we have a idea voltage and power, and the name of it Festo brand. Mm. Like E3 and E4 is from Festo brand, and we have a E3 with the symbol, uh, and it's how to explain that symbol. Like LF is low filtration, the automatic water discharge 5M 85 micrometer. Also E4 we have a LFM air filter with pressure regulator and airflow from direction arrow here. So in here we need to focus on the arrow to make sure when we set up it will on the two road. The next is we have a pressure regulator E5. Here we have a so working range from 0 to 1 MPa and the voltage is from 15 to 30 volt. And this E5, the main working method is adjust the pressure rate head before go through it. So this is my introduction about the main device and the diagram, and I will see you in the next chapter to see